Hey, you gotta punch these things out. I like to pretend I'm riding a Harley with my air hammer, something a bit like this. I was finally fortunate enough. God bless me with a real Harley, so I don't have to pretend anymore with the air hammer. But look, here's what you need: air hammer. Give it a little. All right, guys, check this out. I'm going to put in these wheel studs, and unfortunately, this wheel stud installer tool, it's just a wee too big. So don't give up. We make things happen. Check this out. Here's the problem. I'll show you what we're going to do. All right, so you can see when I go to put this on here, see, we go to put it on and doesn't want to fit quite flush on here. And it looks like the problem is it's just a wee bit too big. It can't get past that lip right there. So let's just shave off a little bit around the edge here so it fits in there. Let's try it out. Hey, can you zoom this in some if possible? All right, I got done over there with the grinder. I ran over here to see if it was going to fit, and I was shocked. I was like, oh my goodness, first try. That's good stuff, man. Here, check this out. Look at that. That's awesome. Hey, we're going to install it. I love this green grease. They don't pay me to say that either. It's awesome, super tacky. So let's go ahead. Put a little bit of that green grease right around these splines. They're gonna suck, or it's gonna suck in. And let's see if this thing sucks in. Then I gotta go home and be a good dad. Put some right here. Come here, Jake. Let's see if this thing's gonna work. I got it lubed up. Got that lubed up. Let me lube it up a little bit more. And then I like to lube up the this little surface here where it's going to be running around. Give that a little bit of lubage. Boop, boop. Lube that up. Guess might as well lube up this area here too, where it's going to be running. Boop. Get our big bad Milwaukee. And I think this is actually a Craftsman socket. I think, yeah, sure is. Sure I can see. See how it's gonna work. When you go to tighten it up, you just pull the trigger until it sits like that. And pop it off. It's seated. And look, if it wasn't seated, when you go to torque it down, it's going to pull it through and seat it. That's it, guys. It's that easy. Look, you don't just go to YouTube to check it out. You go to YouTube to Griffzilla garage it out. Look, this helped you out. I don't want you to smash anything. I don't even need you to like or subscribe. But if you did hit that super thanks button, send me some money for some ice cold Topo Chico, I would be super appreciative. Thanks. I'll see you later. And look, check out the memberships if you need more help.